next element in the info online is component replacement guides. Now this one has been introduced not too long ago, so it's been with us for about a year and a couple of versions more. And the component replacement guide is pretty much the process on how to go about checking your component, which it's automatically linked to the troubleshooting tree or to the wiring diagrams, so that if you have any issues with a component, it'll tell you how to go about it. So let's look for one here. Let's say something related to the oil pressure sensor, and then automatically by searching through our search option, it's going to take us to where it is. Here we see the pre-steps. So follow safety information. You know, safety always first. Disconnect the batteries. Verify the component location. So component that we've seen in the past, where it's at. Then it's going to go to a removal procedure. How to disconnect the wiring harness from the component, remove the component carefully. And then step 3 is always going to be inspection for reuse. We don't always have to change the components. Sometimes we can just clean it out and make sure that everything's good, that there's no dirt, debris, or whatnot, and then put it back in, making sure that the operational values are correct. Next, it's going to be installation. Either we reinstall the one that we took out, or we're going to put in the new one. And then the final procedure, which is always going to finish out with check that everything is working correctly. What is the correct way of checking? And final step, read the fault codes to make sure that that new component is not generating any fault codes and that we've done everything properly. So again, we have the option of searching through all the component list. So it's going to show you everything available for this specific system. We can navigate through it, and all of them are going to have that information, how to go about and check if it's working properly, how to go about and inspecting it, how to reuse it, reinstall it, and so on. So another key feature, even if you're not a pro at it, you just have to go through this, read the 5-10 minute procedure, go about it, and get the job done.